afternoon, everybody, guys. Today is September 7. This is our last day here sa hotel. And bukas, lilipad din, no? Lalabas na kami. So, makakalayan na kami dito sa quarantine hotel, guys. So, this is our last lunch for quarantine hotel. So, guys, ayan, bagong fresh talaga tayo, guys, kasi katapos natin mag-shower. So, Jax is here, guys, to show you our last lunch here sa quarantine hotel. So, what's our lunch for today, Jax?
Looks like we have a fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Yeah, this one, it's not fogged up as much. So yeah, we have our watermelon, strawberry, pineapple, rockmelon, honeydew, passion fruit. So we have the fruit there. Next we have the salads of today, which is a Mexican rice and bean salad. So you can see there it's pretty much Mexican rice with kind of like salsa ingredients. So you have corn, tomato, beans, then it's on the bed of lettuce there. 2 of those. And then the main dish of today, I think is quiche. Quiche, which is like an egg pie. And I think that's what we had the night we came in.
Yeah, the dinner last time.
So it's usually, yeah, like an egg filling, and I think there's spinach and it could be bacon in there as well.
Okay, that's yum.
Yeah, so we just have 2 of those. So no stubby today, or no world's greatest dad, or best dad ever, stubbies. So I'm very hungry and we are going to eat.
So, ayan guys, kakain muna kami tapos i-update ko kayo kung ano ang mangyari for our last day here sa quarantine hotel kasi nga bukas ay mag-check out na kami dito sa aming quarantine facility, guys. So, mamaya ulit i-update ko kayo kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin for today bago kami ma-dispatch for tomorrow, guys. So, kain muna tayo, guys. Hi guys! So, ayan, meron kaming pahabol na ano yan, Jax?
What's that, guys? We just had these dropped off at our room. So congratulations, I just did hotel quarantine and all I got was this bottle. I'm free. So it's a small bottle of champagne. Jacob's Creek, Chardonnay, Pinot Noir. So yes. Actually, I think it could be white wine. Yeah, it's Chardonnay, it's not champagne, so if I pop it, it's not going to hit the roof. So yeah, we got a small bottle of wine to celebrate our last day here.
So we got 2, guys. 2 bottle of wine.
Yeah, it's white wine.
White wine.
Yeah, it's like little fun size.
So ayun na nga, guys. Meron si Jax na wine for today kasi nga this is our last day here sa quarantine hotel. Bukas ay lalaya na kami. Ayan, bukas lalaya na kami, guys. Tapos, mamaya ulit, mag-update ako ulit about sa nangyari for today, guys. Kasi nga, last day nga namin. So, mamaya ulit, guys. Hi, guys! So, now it's our dinner. This is our last dinner for the quarantine hotel, guys. So, guys!
Hi guys, I'm Jax. And welcome to day 14 dinner.
Yes! It's our last day 14 here sa quarantine hotel, guys. So, Jax will tell you what's our dinner for tonight.
Roll. Bread roll. Oh, no poppy seeds tonight.
Oh, it's a plain roll.
Oh no, but sorry, I've got sunglasses on, so I couldn't see it. It's just sesame seeds. So next up, we have the main course.
Ooh!
I think this is like a stir fry. I think it was like stir fried vegetables with like a chicken thigh or something on it. So there you go. You can see obviously bok choy, baby corn. That looks like mushrooms. There's probably stuff underneath, and that's a lot of chicken there. And I think it's on rice there. I can see rice in the corner. So nice.
Yes, yum. Yummer.
So yeah, let's have another one of those. still quite warm. It's nice. I'll get the salads out next. I'm not sure why I gave us a menu for tomorrow since you won't be here, but
Maybe we have a one tomorrow.
this is another just Vietnamese bun. I think we had this about
That's
2 days ago.
Night.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that is that last night? No, the other night. I
I'm not
think.
sure. But yeah, we had it recently, so that's just like a Vietnamese noodle salad. So it's just vermicelli noodles on the bottom, and a few things on top. And our dessert
Ooh,
is... I cannot remember.
tiramisu.
Oh, tiramisu. Sorry, these sunglasses hide a lot of things. Yeah, so tiramisu, and it's in this like hard plastic container.
Ooh, very nice.
So I got 2 of those.
Show those. Yes.
And now we get to see what we're missing out on tomorrow. So dinner, scrambled eggs, bacon, roast tomato, which I don't think we're going to get because we leave at 8, so we won't have time to eat it even if they deliver it. Teriyaki beef on whole grain roll, red velvet cake fruit, mac and cheese, wagyu beef burger, pickled cabbage slaw, and smoky barbecue sauce, and creme caramel is the thing. So unfortunately we don't get to eat this tomorrow, but looks nice yet again. So guys, tuning out from Jack's Land. Yes! We'll see you in another video. I'm going to enjoy my food now. Bye guys.
Okay guys, so kakain muna si Jax kasi naka-shade siya ngayon guys. So mamaya ulit at i-update namin kayo yung mga final na para kami ma-disembark dito sa quarantine hotel guys. And bukas lalabas na tayo. And yun na nga muna guys for tonight. And later again guys, kain muna tayo guys. Okay guys, so this is our wine for tonight. This is our last day here sa quarantine. Ayan, Jax will pour the wine in our glasses.
Oh, that's, yeah. Ooh. So it is actually a... It says Chardonnay Pinot Noir. I mean, it's bubbly though. Usually, oh, I thought it was going to be white wine, but it's actually like a champagne.
So that's that guys. Congratulations, I did hotel quarantine and all I got was this bottle.
God, so there's not much in each bottle. I don't know what the volume is. It's only 200 mils. So yeah, I think you're meant to have like, I guess, the whole bottle to yourself.
So you want another bottle?
No, I think that's enough considering it's 11 o'clock at night.
Okay guys, so that's our...
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy quarantine.
Happy quarantine, Jax.
Oh, fireworks and wine and stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna show you Jax because Jax is that. So guys, ayan! Cheers! Boom! Bango! Paet!
Yes.
Paet! Hindi, masarap siya kasi nga malamig, diba? Pag malamig ng wine, sarap, beta. So, later again guys ha, kasi nagliligpit muna ako okay? Hi guys! So, ayan guys. So, okay na, nagpack na kami ng aming mga bagahe. Ayan, as you can see, ayun yung mga bagahe namin for tomorrow. Kasi nga, alis na tayo bukas. So, ayun yung mga bagahe ni Jax. Tapos yung mga grocery haul namin. If you remember guys, if you haven't yet watched my video about the Cost grocery haul online, ayan yan.
Yes, we didn't eat it all.
So, hindi namin siya nakain. So, dadali namin siya ulit pa-uwi bukas. So, ayan na guys, yung bag namin. Tapos, yung mga laptop ko, bukas na yan ng umaga. Tapos, yung mga nasa freezer, bukas na rin yan ng morning. Ayan, yung aming Hindi pa namin kina-close yan. So, ayan na guys, ready na kami. Tapos, yung mga na lang bukas ng umaga. So, that's it guys. So, today is September 7, So this is our last day in the quarantine hotel. So after 14 days guys, ay makakalaya na kami. So earlier, 14th, day 14, around 9, swab test. So nag-swab test kami kanina. 9 o'clock morning. So, tapos nakuha din namin yung result ngayong night time. So, Jax is negative and I'm also negative, I think so. Kasi wala pa akong local number eh. So, bibili pa lang kami ng SIM card paglabas namin tomorrow siguro. So, tomorrow, i-update ko kayo kung ano ang mangyari sa amin. So, for today, may tumawag lang sa amin sa call kung ano gagawin namin for tomorrow. So, in-advise nila kami ng mga gagawin namin. Tapos, nag-pack na kami ng things namin. So, bukas, 8 o'clock or around 8:30, tatawagan kami. So, i-advise kami kung ano oras kami lalabas. Tapos, pag may kumatok, yun na yung signal na mag-ready kami. Tapos, pag may sumunod na kumatok ulit, ay makakalabas kami. Kasi, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas dito kapag lalabas ka na agad. Hintayin mo na advice nila na lalabas na kayo doon. Ayaw nila na madaming magtipon-tipon kayo sa labas. Kasi meron silang rules na kapag labas mo ng hotel, diretso ka na dun sa transport mo kung sino masusundo sa'yo sa labas ng hotel. Bawal ka patambay-tambay kasi nga kakalabas mo lang ng quarantine facility. And also guys, the end of detention notice. So, ito yung detention notice namin guys. Ayan. So, may pangalan niya sa baba. So, ayan. End of detention notice. If you remember earlier, bago kami nung dumating kami, binigyan kami ng detention notice, guys. When we arrive here, the last time na nandito kami, yung first day namin, day 0, binigyan kami ng detention notice. Tapos ngayon naman, naaalis na kami, guys. Meron naman kaming end of detention notice. So, ayan na siya, guys. So, ayun na nga guys, yung nakita nyo kanina, yung mga luggage namin, ready na siya. Isasara na lang namin tomorrow morning kasi nga maaga tayo bukas. Mga 8 o'clock, ganon. Depende sa katok nila kasi kakatokin kayo. Tapos yung unang katok, signal na yon na malapit na kayo lumabas kasi may mga kasama din kami dito sa floor. At bawal kami yung sabay-sabay na lumabas kasi nga mahirap na guys. So, meron kaming end of detention notice. Ayun yung ayan, end of detention notice. Ayan yung ibibigay namin paglabas namin dito sa baba at saka yung passport namin, guys. So, nasa detention notice, nandun yung mga information about the discharge, guys, and like the offense and penalty, yung mga definitions, and yung mga reason, notice, and the end of detention, yung mga ganon, and so on and so forth. So, earlier, binigyan kami ng wine. Tag-isa kami ng wine ni Jax, yung pinakita namin sa inyo kanina. Kasi nga, natapos natin ang 14 days na quarantine na hindi tayo tumakas. Kasi most of the time, yung mga naka-quarantine dito, tumatakas sila. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero kapag tumakas ka, ang laki ng penalty mo, guys. So, the penalty, guys, you know, for an individual is like $21,000 plus ganon. Malaki talaga siya pag pineso mo yan, guys. That's the end of our video for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today. Thank you very much for watching. And this is our last night na dito sa quarantine facility, guys. Dito sa Novotel Ibis. And mega love shoutout to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye-bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah! Ciao lang!